How to turn off your text SMS notifications in Facebook. If you have been getting a lot of text SMS notifications from Facebook and you're getting pretty annoyed with it, I'm gonna show you how you can turn it off. So first of all, open your Facebook and go to your profile at the top right. Once you're on your profile, just tap on settings. Let me tell you one thing before we get to another step. The only possible way to turn off the SMS notification in Facebook is by removing your phone number. So what you can do is remove your linked phone number with Facebook and you should not get any of the notifications after that. Alright, so tap on the account center now and tap on personal details. From here you can tap on contact info and tap on the number that you want to delete and simply click on delete number. From here you can simply tap on delete and your number should be deleted from Facebook. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.